Hello everyone, I'm Mihai from PixelMakers, and in this video I want to share with you how we've built an amazing Webflow website for a high quality landscaping company based in Australia. For this particular project we worked with Brent Kendall. He's an amazing designer who helped us to design everything on Figma. He made sure that we have everything we need, including the style sheet, the components, and the desktop and mobile pages. So how we approach this is that we first transferred everything from Figma. We transferred the style sheet, we transferred the components, and then page by page we took every single item when we made sure it's good on desktop, good on mobile, and that it functions properly. So this website has in total about 7 pages, and blog and projects have 1 additional page. So let's take a look and see what we did here. We've implemented the animations with GSAP actually, because it's more performant than traditional or native Webflow animations. And let's see, we have home, we have the project, which we are seeing. If we click on a project item, we can see that the content for that particular item, it has a more custom layout, and we have practice. This one has a more interesting animation on effect on this. If I click on read bio, I can see that the bio for that particular person. And let's see the services page, the same effect as on home page. The blog, here on the blog we have filtering system implemented using FinSuite's attributes, so this way the user can more easily navigate through the content, through filtering and pagination. If we click inside an item, we can see the content, and we can also share it on email, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Okay. The blog, the contact has validation in place. So for example, if I type John here and submit, I'll see all of these errors. If I typing something else, I will not see that error, and so on until every required item is complete, and then the user can submit the form. Okay, after we've implemented everything and the client was satisfied, we transferred the project to their account. We helped them to connect their domain and do the required DNS configurations. We helped them with technical SEO, so this way every single page has meta tags and meta attributes like titles, open graph images, and things like this, which makes SEO better, and also the link sharing experience better. So we did this also for the blog. We migrated the content from their existing WordPress website. We've made sure that we have all of the content properly migrated to Webflow, and also that where we have link differences, we have 301 redirects in place, so that they don't lose SEO performance. After everything was handed over properly to the client, we received a very nice feedback both from the client and the design. They are really happy with what we did here, and we are also in a maintenance stage with this client, helping them to grow their existing Webflow website. So without further ado, if you need any help with transferring your Figma designs to Webflow, or with migrating an existing WordPress site, feel free to reach out. We are a team of expert Webflow developers that can handle anything that's Webflow related.